In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the failed to synchronize achievements error on Ubisoft Connect. If you're encountering this pesky issue, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a step-by-step process to resolve it and get back to gaming without a hitch. First and foremost, ensure you're logged into your Ubisoft account. This might seem basic, but it's an important step that many people often overlook. If you're not currently logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're successfully logged in, we can dive into troubleshooting the synchronization error. Issues with synchronization are sometimes caused by ongoing server maintenance or other server-related problems, so it's a wise decision to start by checking the current status of Ubisoft servers. To do this, visit the Ubisoft Connect website and look for any alerts regarding interruptions or scheduled maintenance. Next, a quick fix can often be clearing your Ubisoft account's cache. To get started, close your Ubisoft account. Then, press the Windows and R keys on your keyboard simultaneously, which will open the Run dialog box. In the box that appears, type in local app data and hit Enter. This action will take you to a folder where you'll find the cache folder associated with Ubisoft. Locate and delete this cache folder. Once it's removed, restart Ubisoft and check if this resolves the error. This simple action often does the trick. If clearing the cache doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to uninstall and then reinstall Ubisoft Connect. Glitches can occur if you're using an outdated version, so downloading the latest version can be quite helpful. Make sure you completely remove the program before reinstalling it for a clean slate. Checking your internet connection is also crucial in this troubleshooting process. Run a speed test to ensure your connection is stable. If you're using a VPN, it could be affecting your speeds or causing interruptions. Try disabling your VPN temporarily to see if the issue persists, as this can often clear up any connection problems and allow you to synchronize your achievements smoothly. If none of these steps appear to work, your antivirus software might be interfering. Antivirus programs, including firewall protections and tools like Malwarebytes, can sometimes block necessary connections. Temporarily disable your antivirus software to see if this makes a difference. Remember to reactivate it once you've determined whether it was the cause. Finally, if you're still experiencing issues, it might be time to reach out to Ubisoft support directly. You can submit a support request detailing your problem on their website. They'll be able to provide you with more specialized assistance tailored to your specific issue. Hopefully, with these steps, you'll have managed to solve your failed to synchronize achievements error and can return to enjoying your games without any further interruptions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!